Is it worth it? That's what we're here on the east coast of Florida today to try to figure out. We are taking a look today at Sorrento Court. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home built in 1958, and they're asking $289,000. We're here today to see, is it worth it? First thing I see is a whole bunch of stuff that's got to go away. Way too many big trees. I don't like any of that stuff near the house. Looks like we got some nice fresh stucco work here. Little front porch. Roof seems to be in good shape. That tree out back's got to go. And carport. Easy conversion into a garage if I felt the need.
Actually, it's an oak tree, right? You probably wouldn't even be allowed to. That's an oak tree.
I don't think that's
not an oak tree.
No.
The other one is.
So you can't cut oaks down?
I mean, all you gotta do is look at the yards, like tenant yard will look just like this.
All right, so these are older than Jesus and need to be replaced. We got a new window here, an old window here.
And there's water coming in.
And you got water coming into the back door. That's why I love looking at property in the rain. I don't know how to do stuff straight either. Great work on the kitchen right here.
Got 2 handles there.
No appliances. Yeah, they definitely don't know how to spray because they sprayed right over top of the smoke detector. I don't think that one works anymore. And back door out. And some daylight coming through there. Just some weather stripping.
Interesting. It's interesting.
Well, shit, this third bedroom is any bigger than the last one that wasn't a bedroom.
Right. Bathroom 1 in the hall. Linen. Nope, HVAC. From 24.
What's this one?
110 days on the market. Oh, what is that? And that tells me that they got the wrong size windows when they had to build it up. Got new windows there, really old window there. And bedroom number 2. All old windows in here. Goodness. Yeah. How that, I don't know. It's Florida. Yeah, and they didn't take the cover off of that to spray it either, so. I'm sure there's another smoke detector that's covered in paint. And the master bedroom. Master bath. And tile shower. Not bad, but definitely sloppy work. And closet there. Built in.
Across there, back there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a piece deal.
Stepping out the back. Got a lizard in here. Something jacked up was going on here. Yeah, that's into the master. Those aren't really windows. That's something that belongs out here, in my opinion. I don't want to break that, but that doesn't open.
I don't know, it's fixed up by somebody that's flipping or whatever, is done a half-ass job.
And now you gotta redo it.
You gotta redo everything. It just doesn't. True. Fucking wood.
Yeah, this is a half-ass flip. There's like, there's 4 different windows in here.
That's what I was saying.
4 different windows.
One paint you put on the damn ceilings. Ceiling white, flat paint.
I mean, yeah, there's a lot of different colors on the ceiling.
Yeah.
But yeah, they didn't pull anything to paint anything.
They just sprayed everything, once.
And it's one thing I missed before was this door. That goes into the kitchen, and then that goes into the, and then the next one goes into the dining. Yeah. But we got a laundry room on the back side of the carport here. And water tank is from 25. So newer water tank. It is gas, and they got PVC panel, big panel. This is heavied up. It's definitely a newer panel. So they've upgraded this electric for sure. I don't see a sticker of when. But that's definitely newer than the 50s or 60s when this was built. And you can tell this is the laundry room because of all of the cracking paint on the ceiling there. They do have the soffit vents there, but definitely a concern here to, but again, it's Florida. So overall, pretty solid. I like it. And now we're gonna go look at another one. So, what did you think of this one? Overall, pretty good. Definitely needs some work. And, but is it worth it?